when Trump slapped those 25% tariffs, the EU and China and everyone out there were buying more Russian energy than India was. Just that India was singled out with those tariffs. Trump did not slap those tariffs on EU. Even America was buying Russian energy, including uranium. Now, number two, I really, love the delicious sense of irony out here, Rahul. On 5th of September, which was Teachers' Day, Modi refused to talk to Trump. And on 6th of September, he tweets to Donald Trump, looking forward to engaging with you in our wonderful US Indian relationship. He really schooled the student out there. But I have two things to say. Number one, please remember that not only since 25% tariffs were slapped on us, I think it was August, and the two Russian oil majors were sanctioned, India has, far from being buckling down under Trump's pressure, continued to buy more than 1 million barrels per day of oil from Russia. In fact, in November, it increased it more than it was purchasing from August. So we are not scared of all these empty threats, but I think now the time has come. I'll finish in 30 seconds. Every nation, I'm speaking as a layman out here, dictates a foreign policy on cost benefit analysis.
Yeah.
We had a benefit, I suppose, for keeping quiet and withstanding all those Trumpian punches. Sure. I think not anymore. If the 500% tariffs come into effect, and hypocritical as they are, because other countries that are buying more Russian oil have not been slapped with those tariffs, may not be slapped with 500% tariffs. If we are slapped with it, I think time has come to assess the cost benefit analysis and slap the tariffs back on America.